I want to show you how to change the spark plugs from the 1.6 liter turbo equipped in Tucson, Tucson Sport Limited and N-Line edition from 2016 to 2018, and N-Line models, I think about 2019. Uh, it's not difficult, so let's go. First thing, we just pull up right here. Right, this is just a pressure thing right here, okay. So now we need to take care of the coils 1, 2, 3, and 4, right, with 10 millimeter. Okay, this is a clip, right? Let's see, you see this clip, just pull it out, right, and then we can do this, pull the block out. That's the coil. Okay. Then 16 for spark plugs. The station, right? All right. Now the new ones, right? They have a gap calibration from 0.27 to 0.32 millimeters. So because the temperature change in the motor, so they need some space, to play. So we are going to calibrate, or they are already calibrated to 0.29. So that way, when the spine get the expansion or extraction, it keep between 27 and 32. This is the old one, this is the new one. Always check it, because they can calibrate it, but if they got some, I don't know, can be. So always check it, or use a gap calibrator, verify or calibrate them. This is the exact same one. NGK. This is the number. Okay. Put the coil back. So that's the first one. Okay. This thing pulling out. Already lose them, one of them. Okay. Wrong way. All way loose to the left. To my left, actually. This one is a spark plug holder because got something right there that you hold them, just in case you're wondering. Okay, I'm sorry the video just cut off on the middle because I got no space in the phone, but yeah. But we just saw the change of these two is the exact same process with these two. With one exception is for this one, you maybe have to take it out this plug right here to make room, you know, to work with it and take it out the coil. That's the only difference, but it's just the same process with all four. I already changed these two, but once you finish and verify all the plugs is in place and everything, you might want to clean out a little bit, and then it's just, you know, this is getting by pressure, so just put everything back together, and that's it. So I hope this is helpful for you guys.